How to apply for food stamps in South Carolina. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in South Carolina so you can access essential benefits. To apply, visit the South Carolina Department of Social Services website. You can also apply online through the SCDSS Benefits portal, or you can complete a paper application at your local DSS office. You'll need to provide information on your household income, size, and expenses. After submitting, an interview will be required to confirm eligibility. Now that you know how to apply for food stamps in South Carolina, you can move forward with the process.